So today I'm going to compare two of my favorite styles and brands of gloves, the HANDLANDY and the SCHWER. They both have different use cases, both made of different materials, and they are my favorites for different reasons. So these are definitely lighter weight. So if you're concerned about your hands getting hot, these are definitely the way to go. The material that they use is a lot more, it's got a lot more texture to it and a lot more grip. And for the HANDLANDY, they are a little bit thicker. I mean, both of them are pretty breathable, especially on the top. But the benefit of the HANDLANDY is that you've got a little bit of padding here. I've been using HANDLANDYs for longer. So here's a pair that I've just totally worn out and destroyed. No glove is without its failure points, but HANDLANDY is a trusted brand that I have used for years. These SCHWER gloves are quickly becoming a favorite for smaller, quicker tasks or tasks where you are dealing with rough lumber and you don't need the padding. So this is the style of glove that I go to most often when I am working with rough lumber, like this old weathered pallet. The wood is really rough, but these are touted as cut resistant. I've never tried it against a knife, but I've never pricked myself on a rusty nail using these guys either. So if you are doing a lot of repetitive work with some rougher wood, just throwing these things around, loading them up on a truck, I am not worried at all about splinters or cuts or anything like that. And I benefit from the protection as well as the lightweight, breathable material. Now for the HANDLANDY, they are just a tad bit bulkier with that extra padding. Just about the same range of movement. You can tell that there's padding there. Still, never really worried about any cuts or anything like that. Snags on nails. The benefit of using a glove like this is when you're doing a repetitive impact task, like I am currently stapling up a chicken coop. This might not seem like much, but go through that motion hundreds of times in a day, and you're going to feel it. I have definitely noticed a difference using the padded gloves. A little bit of impact protection. If I'm digging a hole, like with a digging iron or something like that, the impact protection cannot be understated. So if you are doing a little bit more rugged work, HANDLANDY is definitely the way to go.